Alright guys, in this video we're going to be learning about string concatenation. So we've covered a lot of built-in functionality in Java throughout the last few videos. We've seen the plus, minus, less than, equals to, and many other operators. Most of these only work on primitives, but some work on string S as well. Let's say we want to print out a variable and we want to describe it as we print it out. For our bank account example, imagine we want to tell the user, your username is blank. So with the value of the variable username displayed, the plus operator, which we use for adding numbers together, can be used to concatenate strings. So in other words, we can join two strings together using the plus, which is crazy. So this piece of code right here is going to print out, my username is Prince Nelson. So you have a variable called username and you set it equal to Prince Nelson. And then you type in a string, and instead of typing out Prince Nelson, you can just add this and it prints it out perfectly, which is so amazing. And we can use a primitive data type as the second variable to concatenate, and Java will intelligently make it a string first. So for example, if we had, let's say, a number and we had your balance is a string right here. So this just prints out as a string, which is so amazing. And then in our zoo, we have a certain number of animals stored in animals, of a certain species stored in species. Use plus to make a new string variable called zoo description. It should hold a string that looks like our zoo has animals and then species. Cool. So, saying to create a new string called zoo description, and then it should print out our zoo has, and then plus we have animals, plus we can do the species. But let me show you guys why this won't work. It's not obvious right now, but I'll show you guys why this won't work in a second. But let's go ahead and print it out. Let's go ahead and print this out, right? Yeah. System dot print line, and we can just print out zoo description. And let me show you guys why this won't work. Let me see. You guys see why this won't work? Because we don't have a space right here. We don't have that space here. Right here, you have a 12 and a zebra, but you don't have a space right here. So what you want to do is you want to add in a random space here so you can make it look nice. And okay, did you create a string and set it equal to our string? Okay, so we don't print it. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. So I need a message here. So we don't print it out. Okay, makes sense. So we don't print this out. And did you, what is this asking for? Okay. Alright, so it says here, in our zoo, we have a certain number of animals stored in animals, and a certain number of species stored in animals. Okay, zoo has 5. Okay, we'll do 5. That's what I did. Our zoo plus animals plus species S. Oh, forgot the exclamation point. There we go. Got that check. Alright, and then it says print out the variable. Okay. System dot out dot print line zoo description and run it. Locked. We got it. And then in the next video, I'll be teaching you guys the final keyword. So make sure to stay tuned for this one. I'm also having to refresh on this one, so it'll be extra fun to do this one. So until then, I'll see you guys.